Welcome to Farmonics, your one-stop solution for all your grocery needs. Let's us know about one of our products, that is Amla candy. Farmonics Amla candy, delicious, nutritious and packed with natural goodness for wellness. Let us know about Farmonics Amla candy. Farmonics Amla candy, a tasty and convenient way to enjoy the health benefits of amla, rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, promoting overall wellness and vitality. Here are some of the benefits of Farmonics Amla candy. Antioxidant properties, promotes digestive health, enhances skin health, strengthens hair.
Let's know why to choose Farmonics Amla candy. Pure and organic, high nutritional value, digestive aid, trusted quality.
How to store Farmonics Amla candy, airtight container, avoid heat, cool, dry place.
You can also try Farmonics other products too, like premium quality dry fruits, unpolished pulses, unadulterated spices, seeds and nuts. We are also available on Amazon, Flipkart and JioMart. You can contact us through email and WhatsApp. You can also place order from our website www.farmonics.co.in. Link is also provided in the description.